What's up, everybody? It's Cade Blessing from CB's Collectibles. Today's date is Thursday, March 29th. Time is 4:36 p.m. Right now, we're going to be breaking open box break number 5 of the Crown Royal. I want to thank you all for being so patient and kind. I know you all had to wait a while. There's multiple people that didn't get their payments in. I know that's frustrating and annoying when you want to get on with the break, but now we're here, and I appreciate your kindness and patience. So hopefully we have some nice hits. I know the last 2 boxes that we've done today had some great hits in it. So without further ado, let's get it underway. Factory sealed, as you can see. The box serial number is 93935056. Try and get that in there as best as I can. There we go. Alright, let's get this underway. For those of you that are, I see a lot of repeat buyers. I have a Dominion break that's ending within the next day. You should check that out. That's probably the best hobby hockey box of cards there is out there right now. It's really good. So check that out, please, and you won't be disappointed, I guarantee that. Checklist: 4 packs of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty box. So let's get on with the break. Pack number 1. We have a Michael Grabner base, Paul Bissonnette base. Our first hit is Heirs of the Throne, Braden Shen of the Philadelphia Flyers. It's a nice hit. We have a ruby version of Mike Richards. And we have a base of Rick Nash. That Heirs to the Throne of Braden Shen is not numbered. I didn't think I said that, so I just want to make that clear. Pack number 2. And this is a thick one. We got Alexander Vermistrov of the Jets base. We have a base of Patrick Kane. We have Mythology jersey. This is not numbered, of the New Jersey Devils, Joe Nieuwendyk. I'll try and get this up closer. I'll go through all of our hits after this break is over. We have Ice Kings of the Vancouver Canucks, Trevor Linden. And we have a base of Vincent Lecavalier. We have an Eli Kovalchuk base, TJ Oshie base. We have a Patrick Wincook rookie autograph. This is not numbered. We have the spacer. We have a rookie card of Timo Hartkinen, Edmonton Oilers. And we have a base of Stephen Weiss. Last pack, box break number 5. We have a Jimmy Howard base. We have a Martin Brodeur base. We have a Lords of the NHL Brad Richards. Not numbered, I don't think. Yeah, a Brad Richards Lords of the NHL jersey, New York Rangers. We have a Dale Howardchuk base. And we have a Daniel Alfredson base. We'll go through our hits one more time. We had the Brad Richards base. What? Oh, no. We had the... I don't know. Oops, there's a Martin Brodeur base. I don't think that was stuck behind that card. Martin Brodeur base. We had the Patrick Wincoat of the Ottawa Senators rookie auto. We had the Joe Nornike of the New Jersey Devils base. Mythology jersey, not numbered. I'm sorry, my niece is crying over there, and I gotta get her here in a second. And a Braden Shen Heirs to the Throne jersey. I want to thank you all for joining in. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. For those of you that bought into breaks number 6, 7, and 8, we'll keep it coming. I want to thank you for joining. And again, check out the Dominion. I thank you all for supporting me and being so patient and kind. We'll see you next time.